Welcome all. Myself, Professor Vikram Singh Bias, SPM Polytechnic, Kumte Mechanical Department. Today we are going to discuss regarding milling machine. Now, exactly what is milling machine? Milling machine. Milling is the cutting operation that removes the metal by feeding the work against a rotating cutter having single or multiple cutting edges. Flat or curved surface of many shapes can be machined by milling with good finish and accuracy. A milling machine may also be used for drilling, slotting, making a circular profile and gear cutting by having suitable attachment. Basically, milling machine has three major categories or types, that is horizontal milling machine, vertical milling machine and universal milling machine. As far as types is concerned, depends on operations, it is categorized majorly in the three basic types. Now we'll see the horizontal milling machine. Horizontal milling machine has following different construction part, that is base, column, knee, saddle, table. Table has vertical, cross, longitudinal are the different parts of table. Overarm, arbor support, elevating screw. Now we'll see or discuss one by one. First one is the base. It gives support and rigidity to the machine and also acts as a reservoir for the cutting fluids. The column is main supporting frame mounted vertically on the base. The column is box shaped, heavily ribbed inside and houses all the driving mechanism for the spindle and table feed. Third one, knee. The knee is a rigid casting mounted on the front face of the column. The knee moves vertically along the guideways, and this movement enables to adjust the distance between the cutter and the job mounted on the table. The adjustment is obtained manually or automatically by operating the elevating screw provided below the knee. Saddle. The saddle rests on the knee and constitutes the intermediate parts between the knee and the table. The saddle moves transversely, that is crosswise, on guideways provided on the knee. Next, table. What is exactly the table? The table rests on the guideways in the saddle and provides support to the work. The table is made of cast iron. Its top surface is accurately machined and carries T-slots which accommodate the clamping bolt for fixing the work. The work table and hence the job fitted on it is given motions in three directions, that are first one, vertical movement provided by raising or lowering the knee. Second, cross or transfer motion provided by moving the saddle in relation to knee. Third one, longitudinal motion, that is provided by hand wheel fitted on the side of the feed screw. In addition to the above motions, the table of universal milling machine can be swiveled 45 degree to either side of the center line and thus feed at an angle to the spindle. Now we'll see next part, that is overarm. What is the exactly overarm? The overarm is mounted at the top of the column and is guided in perfect alignment by the machined surface. The overarm is the support for the arbor. Now we'll see exactly what is arbor support. The arbor support is fitted to the overarm and can be clamped at any location on the overarm. Its function is to align and support various arbors. The arbor is a machined shaft that holds and drives the cutter. Now we'll see elevating screw. The upward and downward movement to the knee and the table is given by the elevating screw that is operated by hand or an automated feed. Now we'll see the exactly basic working of this particular working principle of this particular machine. The workpiece is holding on the work table of the machine. The table movement controls the feed of the workpiece against the rotating cutter. The cutter is mounted on a spindle or arbor and revolves at high speed. Except for rotation, the cutter has no other motion. As the workpiece advances, the cutter teeth removes the metal from the surface of workpiece and the desired shape is produced. This is the basic principle working of your horizontal milling machine. धन्यवाद.